All right, folks. Well, how's it going? This is Douglas. And hey, listen, I just wanted to jump in real quick. I will soon, or one of the leaders will soon, we will be holding a new members orientation that we're going to do to sort of do a full new members orientation for new members as we maybe take you through the back office and things of that nature, showing you the different buttons. But for right now, we're really operating with ignorance on fire, okay? And so we'll do, we'll get new members orientation and things, in terms of a detailed overview of, going in the back office. But right now, it's simply about, hey, we want to get you started right and get teams and get you duplicating. Everything is about duplication. The lifeblood of growth here is duplication and everyone doing 2 simple steps, okay? And we're all working as a team. Now, so this video is really going to be primarily about just getting started right, okay? So your account's been set up, or I'm even about to show you the different ways you're about to set up your account. So maybe you have received the link from the person that invited you or that you're going to be signing up with, okay? And what you're going to simply do is up here to the right where it says sign up, you're going to click sign up, okay? And then once you're at the sign up page, okay, of course, your donor, not your donor, but your inviter's registration key should be verified right here, okay, to make sure that you're signing up with your inviter. So you definitely want to verify their registration key. It should be their registration key if they sent you their link, which has their registration key at the end of it. So you want to come in and put in your first name. Okay, let's just say friend. I'll do friend 1. I'm gonna put in a phone number here, just a random phone number. Okay, and I'm gonna just add an email here, friend.2020 and I'm gonna confirm the email here. Of course, you're gonna be using your email, and then you're gonna choose a password. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to confirm. Come down here and click next. And I'm gonna save this. And it's gonna say, it's just gonna have you verify here. Your account is my enroller, so just check that. So you just wanna make sure this is your enroller that you are enrolling with, that their name pops up there. And then I have read the terms. You just check all these boxes here. And email is valid and belongs to me. Just check that. And then check that I'm not a robot. And then confirm and proceed. Real simple stuff. Okay. And bada boom, bada bing. Okay. And so let me move this out of the way so you can see the whole screen. So you can see it says it should have your name up here where it says friend 1. It should have your name as you being the enroller. It has your link that you have that you're going to send those that you are going to sign up. And this is your registration key. See, it says 2819329. So if I was to click on this, I'm gonna go to another window with it. It should have welcome to, and your name should be here with your registration key. And so let me show you how this looks. So when someone clicks sign up that you give your link to, see how it puts your link now in the registration key box there when whoever you send your link to signs up. So that's the way someone signs up, by receiving somebody's link, okay? Or you sending whoever is going to be signing up, connect to you, okay, what they're going to see. Now, once you see the manual way that we do it, okay? So let me go back to the last login. Of course, I like the old school way because we want to definitely verify. Let me go back to the last account, I think it was this here, the 50/50. So I'm gonna go in this account here. I'm gonna log in. Now this is another way that we add accounts. Okay, we do it manually where we go in the system. Now you saw me just set up the friend one. Now when the person that you're signing up has said I've created my account, you want to double check it by going to global team. I'm assuming not global, but GBOT, which stands for Global Business Owner. So you want to jot over here where it says GBO team. You want to click that. It's going to give a drop down. You want to go to co-op build. Okay. And you want to make sure that those that you signed up are coming in right here. It's very, very important that you double check that they are there. Okay. Because when they make their account active, you want to be the one receiving credit for it, or the respective person wants to be the one receiving the credit. Okay. So if you are one that's signing up people for others, when they sign up, you're doing it the manual way. Now, let me show you how to do it the manual way. Now, we're back in your account, and we already put someone in by friend. Remember we added the friend by sending the link. Now I'm going to show you how to add someone manually. So let's go back to the dashboard. Okay. So this is just like we just logged in. See how you get that screen, you close that out. Then when you come down here, and let's say I put in somebody by the name of Douglas Ford. So this is coming down where it says co-op 3 minutes a day, continue to help your team build your business and grow your account. Okay. So I'm just coming down here and adding random information. Okay. And I'm going to click on this. So when you come down here, now you can do is, you can do 3 at a time if you want to do 3 at a time, if all 3 are going to, this account or whatever account that you are signing up people for. I'm just going to do 1 account just for demonstration. So we come down here and do 79617, put in the code that you're not a robot. When I hit invite, you see that just created that account. Now to verify that that account is right, you're going to go to GBO team and go to co-op build, and you're going to see, do you see the Douglas Ford there? Yes, you do. So that means Douglas Ford is registered to your account. If this be your account, of course, it would have your name there. So that's getting someone started right. Now, from that point, they can become active, okay? So now what we're going to do, we're going to log back into friend 1 and walk you through them becoming active. Now, when people log in and you create their account manually, the default password is always going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. May want to remember that. So anytime you set up somebody's account, if they didn't set it up themselves, if you set them up manually, okay, and then you send them their login, of course, they're going to log in with the email that they gave you, and the password is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the default password. And then, of course, they can log in and change it. So like I'm logging in, right? So this is how one goes about activating their account. So when they log in, they're initially going to get a drop down. They can go from here, where they can just click continue, okay? Now let me go back. So now, typically a person's buying 3 tokens. So let's do refresh here. Refresh. So if they come here, they can just change this to 3, or just click up there like that and make sure it becomes 3. It says let them know the price. Then they click continue. Or if they're just going to do 1, they can just come down here and do 1. Either way. So let's say they're going to do 3. Okay. Then click continue. And then you want to pay using cryptocurrency. Or, if you want to use a debit card, now, even though it says credit card, it's better to use a bank or a debit card, a debit or a bank card, okay, if you're going to use this option. Now, we also have another option where we're going to use xcoins.com if people want to pay using a bank or a debit card, okay? But those using cryptocurrency, which is what mostly people use, you're going to click on that, and it brings you right here to the payment information screen. Okay. Now you're going to see the price. Now, if you click here, there's other options that we can use to make the payment. Okay. There's other options. So people can use Ethereum, people can use Bitcoin, people can use USDT20, ERC, people can use USDC, which is Coinbase coin, stable coin there. There's also other cryptos that they can use. So you can just find the letter, or you can just come and type it in. Like, say if I type in BTC, see, it brings it right up to BTC. Let's say if I do TRX, see, it brings the TRX. There's Tron. Let's say if I bring it to BNB, see, there's BNB. So you can just literally type the letters in, but most people are doing BTC, okay, or they're doing USDT, or they're using ETH. So you can choose either one of these. The main ones are up here at the top, as you can tell. You have the USDT, the Ethereum, and the BTC. Those are the main three that people use, okay? So let's say if I change it to Bitcoin, because some people are paying with Cash App. I know Cash App uses Bitcoin. Well, when you change it to Bitcoin, notice the price changes. So you just want to make sure that you purchase the right amount of crypto from wherever you're purchasing crypto from. And that's the address right there. You come here and click copy. Or what I like best, I like to highlight the address and make sure I copy it that way and hit copy. Or you can even use the QR code and just scan that, okay, from your phone. If you're using your phone or something like that, you can just scan the QR code. And down here, once the process of it starts, as you're sending the money from wherever you're sending it from to using this address here, okay, you're going to see the status go from confirming deposit, processing payment, to where it says payment completed. Typically takes about maybe sometimes 10 to 15 minutes, depending on what time of the day and what blockchain that you may be using, et cetera, okay? So, guys, that's it. Real short and sweet. You may have to come back and watch this maybe a couple of times, but definitely have this video facilitated to your brand new members and partners. And let's just get people locked and loaded, but make sure we're getting them in correctly and getting people started right. And right now, you just have that duplicating. I know people are sharing the different videos that we have. I have recorded videos that are out there. Of course, we have our presentations that we're going to be doing on Tuesdays and Thursdays, okay? And we may be even adding one on Saturday. And so, but that's it, guys. All right. Until the next video, see you guys at the top.